Hi guys, hope you're well. Hope you're doing well. I just parked up at the range. Let me just fix you. I am going to get some Christmas decorations. So last year I got I always have got Christmas decorations that kind of suit my aesthetic. And it was funny because moving last year, the colors actually matched the aesthetic I already had. I had one tree last year and I had a real tree to start off with, but the tree didn't last very well and I returned it and they took it back. All the needles fell off like within a week. I don't know if it's because I've got underfloor heating in the room that I put it in. Who knows? They said it should have been fine. I treated it how they told me I should have done and it still was a problem. So this year I'm going to have two trees. I'm going to put one in the lounge and one in the family area. And yeah, so I'm going to get a real tree for the lounge and an artificial for the family area where the underfloor heating is. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to go into the range and get some more decorations. I want to get them early because last year they sold out very quickly and I'm hoping they have all their decorations already. And yeah, I'm hoping they're quite reasonable and they're quite nice. And I do think, I should have done a quick check before I left home because I actually bought some decorations last year after Christmas as well in the sale. It's the best time to get. So even if you're planning for next year, you know, get some at the after Christmas. If they have any left, they go down to a fraction of the price. So I'm going to go and have a look now, see if there's more that I need, because having the second tree, luckily the colours that I want for both are very similar, so I should be kind of okay for decorations, but I'm going to see what I can find. Here's the range. I've got some lovely Christmas decorations. They're baubles and Christmas tree decorations are so lovely. I'll probably always come to the range for most of my decor, and then maybe just mix and match from other stores. I was going to try and go to the garden centre today to get a few more bits, but I think I probably will get everything in here. Some of this isn't my style, but I'm just showing you all the different colours and everything. So nice. Even got greens, like that kind of minty sage green. So these are the kind of colours that I want. I have a couple of these from last year as well. I like sort of gold and coppers. I picked up these two already. These are £1.69. Oh yeah, there they are. £1.69 each. I'm going to get maybe like 4 slow of those, because in the living room I want, I think, gold. Just gold. Maybe golden cream or gold cream and black. So I'm going to see what I can find. Yeah. So they've got some lovely pieces here. Look at these. Look at these bronzy coppery. Beautiful. These are £1.79. Garlands. I actually bought my garland from here last year. It's the one on the end with the pine cone.
Good afternoon, this comic announcement. Can a member of Arts and Crafts please come to customer service? That's Arts and Crafts, customer service, please.
I don't know, darling. I don't know if I
Honestly, if you want to get stuff in the range, you have to be quick. Because remember last year,
I love you.
gosh, they sold out and it was just so bare. So for example, I bought Was it this was the wreath as well I bought? I think it was. Yep, that was the wreath. This is, it was like, okay, $11.99. I'll take it off the holder and you can see it. Oh, it's so busy in here. Oh. That's it, that's what I had on my door. I do need to get some more lights, so let me see what I find here. Oh, I probably need about, what have they got? They got 150, 240, 750. Probably need about 400. Oh, here we go, 400. 100 lights, by the look of it, are $19.99. So I thought it was a really good price for $14.99. That's for 200. So I'm still going to get this anyway because I need them. Hi guys. So I'm going to make a banana bread. It's from a mix. It's a mix that I used to buy for Tony when he first became gluten-free, but he no longer has it. I think there is something in it that he has a reaction to, so he doesn't have it. So it was sitting in the cupboard. It's still within date. It's got till next year April to use. I at the moment are not having like sweets and a lot of processed foods, etc. It's not that I've cut it out completely, but I've reduced my intake of it. And those who follow me on social media, you can see that I've increased my workouts. Some days I'm doing 2 workouts a day. There was a few weeks ago, I did set myself a challenge where I was going to do 2 workouts a day, and just to lose a little bit of weight in the midsection here. And you know, you can't spot target weight loss, so it's just a general, just looking after myself, eating better, exercising more, drinking more water, etc, etc. So one of the things that I would like to have more of is some healthy snacks. So I'm going to try this, and I thought I would share the process with you. So it's quite simple, it's all in here, but you add the fresh bananas and some butter. So I've got some vegan butter. I've got some vegan butter here, and I'm going to use the mix. I've got 3 bananas, ripe bananas it says. There's 2, and then there's 1 that was at the back of the fridge. So I'll use that one. I have got some more bananas that aren't as ripe, but I thought I'd use that one up. And it says a little bit of cinnamon. I've almost run out of cinnamon, but there should be enough. It's optional, but there should be enough in here to make it work. So follow me. So let's see what I've got to do. It says preheat the oven, which I've done, and mash up the bananas in a mixing bowl with a fork, then pop in other ingredients and give it all a good stir. It says here singing loudly at this point is reported to improve taste. Okay, then spoon it into the tin, bake for 25 minutes, cover it with foil, bake for another 25 minutes. So it seems quite easy. Let's hope I don't mess it up. I made cake the other day when my grandchildren came to stay. We made cake. I didn't have any. They went home with it. I didn't want any of the cake. So what did it say first? Bananas, wasn't it? Mashed bananas in a mixing bowl. So let us do that. This one is so soft. I might. Oh, I washed my hands before as well, guys. Just washed my hands when I was prepping. This banana is so ripe. I can't even. I don't really like ripe bananas, sorry. But we will mash that because we don't want to waste it. Alright, so I'm going to put, said 40 grams of butter, so that's about 40 grams of butter. So I'm just going to mash it. prior to having this, I mean, it has got sugar in it, so it's not completely healthy, but it's whole grain flour, and it is mostly natural ingredients. And I did purchase it from Sainsbury's, if you want to know. So let's put this in here, and remember, it's a bread rather than a cake, so the consistency is going to be a little bit more doughy. So there you go. There it is, all ready. There it is, all ready to go. So I put it in for, I think, 25 minutes in the oven, and then take it out, cover it with foil, and put it in for a further 25 minutes, something like that, or 20 minutes, something like that. So I'm gonna put this in now, and I'll set a timer for guys. Just taking it out of the oven. It smells lovely. Smells nice, yeah, it's hot. Luckily this doesn't get too hot. So let's see. Oh, let it cool on here. Well, I'm pretty pleased with it. Vegan and gluten-free. Haha, so let me cut this now and try some. I'm not cutting from this end. Okay, very bready consistency. Banana-y. That's good. It's nice. It's got nuts in it as well, so that gives it added texture. This is good. That's good. Got it in my teeth, I can feel it. So I'll link the details of the mix in the description below, and you can check it out. I said I got it from Sainsbury's, but it could be available at other stores as well. That's really nice. So you could have it on its own, or you could have it with maybe some ice cream, which I won't be having, or some vegan cream or anything, or some fruits. It is quite sweet, not over sweet, but it is sweet, but it's very nice. I hope you enjoyed it. So I'm going to settle down for the evening now, and I'll be back with you tomorrow, because I think tomorrow I'm going to show you some of the Christmas decorations I bought the other week. So I look forward to showing you those. So hi guys, hope you're well, hope you're having a wonderful day. Now, you may have seen earlier that I went shopping to get some Christmas decorations. So I bought from the range, and I also went to B&M as well, and I got some pieces in there. So I'm going to show you what I got from the range. Now, as I said, the theme is gold. So I bought this. This is so good. And you would have seen me with my shop along with me. You would have seen some of this, but I thought I'd just repeat it all and give you a closer look now that I'm back home. So isn't that beautiful? So I think I only bought four of these, but I'm going to go back, and if they have more, I'm going to get some more of these, because I think this will be the main bauble on the tree. Alright, so this was £1.69, and my living room's mainly gold and black decor, so I bought some of these as well. And look at that, isn't that nice? And again, I think this was like £1.39, £1.49. I think I picked up maybe about 2 of those. And then they had these ones as well, which has just got the glitter, black bauble with glitter. Again, £1.49. I bought some of these, which are just like, oh, the light is just not good. Okay, here we go. I bought some of these. These are just like snowflakes, gold snowflakes on a bit of twine. So we're gonna have those. I bought some little bells. The price of these, they weren't expensive. They were like, I think they're like, I don't know, I'd say £2. And then I bought some like this last year for my other tree, and I saw them. Oh, it's not very good. It's too bright. The light, the artificial light in here is blowing that out. So I hope you can see that. Let's see. Let's try again. Ugh. No, it's too bright. It's making that wash out, but that. Oh, I wish you could see it. Oh, anyway, it might come out better when I'm editing. So there's that. And oh, these were, I think these were $1.39. Yes, these are $1.39. And then I bought some lights, but I got to take those back because they were the wrong ones. And then I went over to B&M and I bought these. These were £3 for 6 in a set, and this can just complement again. I bought some hanging spirals. I think these were £3, £2.50. So again, they'll just complement. Some more snowflakes. These are 3D snowflakes. 4 of those for £2.50. I always have beads on my tree because I don't use tinsel or anything like that. So this is 15 meters of gold beading. Oh, okay, and that was £2.50. I might get another one of these because I hate running out. And then I bought some gold Christmas ribbon, which might tie some bows on the end of the trees. And then I bought some more lights, which is £15 for 400 lights, warm white lights. And these have 8 settings, I think. 8 settings, and can be used indoor and outdoor. So these are quite a good bargain in B&M. So that's what I bought. Now I usually put my tree up at the very last minute, but this year, since I'm trying to be very organised around this Christmas, I'm going to do my tree quite early. Now I've seen some people already be putting up their Christmas decorations, but I don't think I'm going to put mine up in November. I'm going to wait till probably the 1st of December, and I'm going to put my Christmas tree up. So I will show you in a future vlog what the tree looks like, and also on my Instagram. So thank you for that, and I think I'm going to close off the vlog here. Thank you for watching. It's a bit choppy. I still have to get used to introducing each section of the vlog and closing out each section of the vlog better than what I do. Yeah, I hope you're keeping well and keeping safe. Let me know if you started your Christmas shopping yet, and yeah, comment, like and subscribe on any aspect of this vlog, and I will see you soon. Take care, bye for now.